Here's a run through of the 11-ounce magic mug mock-up. The first thing you need to do is go to your layer stack here and turn off this black layer. And to get your design on the mug, just see this bottom layer where it says step 1, double click smart objects, so do that. To get your design on there, just go file, place embedded, drop it on there. I've just got text on for now. Once you're happy with your positioning, close this and say yes. Okay, to preview, just use this scrabble here. Drag it left to right. You'll see the design emerge. When you're ready to create the video, just click this burger menu here. If you don't see any of this, you need to turn on Windows Timeline, and then you'll get this burger menu here. Choose render video. Go with the defaults. It's my suggestion, but if you know what to do here, you can have a play. Format you can change to QuickTime if you want, if you're on Mac. But really, the only two things you need to do is select where you want to save it with this select folder, and give it a file name, and then click render. Now this could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your machine. Other things to mention, that you can change the background. Here's the background layer, just double click that and then go file, place embedded, and drop in your own background. You can change the mug finish from glossy to matte by opening up the mug, and you'll see a mug reflections smart object. Double click that and then you can turn on the matte finish by just hiding the glossy, and do exactly the same thing with the handle reflections. And it emerges in exactly the same way. Also, you can change the starting colour. If you've got a different colour than black, then double click the effect smart object. You'll see there's this colour overlay. Just turn that on, double click it, choose a colour. Probably worth making a copy of that colour so you know what to make the handle. Close that, say yes, and then do the same thing on the handle. Effects smart object, turn on the colour overlay, double click the overlay, paste that in, and you can start with a coloured mug. Other things to mention, you can turn off the shadow of the mug, but I think that's everything.